जी।
Good morning, one and all. I am Sushil Yamra Chauhan, Assistant Professor, the New College Kolhapur, Department of Electronics. 11-12 online faculty induction program. Today's delivered my seminar. The topic is photo transmission. First of all, what is meant by photo transmission? In this PPT, content, introduction, working, principle, advantages, disadvantages, application, and VI characteristics of the photo transmission. First of all, what is meant by photo transmission? Photo means light. Transistor means three-layer device. There is an emitter, base, and collector. Then the light energy is converted into electrical energy. This is called as the photo transmission. Means then the light is incident on the base region. This is called as the photo transistor. This is called as the photo transistor. A photo transistor is a device that has ability to detect the level of incident radiation and accordingly change the flow of electric current between the collector terminals. Means when the light is incident on the radiation of changing electric current and then the light is incident on the collector current to terminal. Means light is incident on the base and removed from the current by this direction by the emitter. Then it is a three-layer semiconductor device. Why it is called semiconductor? Because there is a NPN transistor used. NPN or PNP, there is a two type of the transistor. Means it is used NPN as well as PNP transistor. Means it is a three-layer semiconductor device that consists of light sensitive base region. Means light is base region are sensitive. Okay, this is operates on the principle of the photoelectric effect. What is the photoelectric effect? This is a basic principle of the photo transistor. Photo means light. Then the light energy is converted into electrical energy. This is called as the photoelectric effect. Okay, this is a basic symbol of the photo transistor. Means there is a from the base collector and emitter. There is a base collector emitter. When the light is incident on the base region and collector to emitter, there is a type of the transistor. This type of the transistor, there is an NPN type of transistor are used. This is the basic construction of the photo transistor. There is a basic symbol of the construction of the photo transistor. Structure, there is a layer of the three layer is given as. There is a from the base region. Okay, there is from incident radiation means light is incident. There is a metallic contact, and emitter, and this is the N-type substrate. There is a collector. There is a three regions: emitter, base, and collector. Means N-type substrate, and P-type substrate. Means NPN transistor are used. There is NPN. There is NPN. P means base region, and then current from the base region. Then the most of the incident light is incident on base region and emitter. This is for the basic construction of the photo transistor. We have already discussed in the photo transistor is nothing but the normal transistor whose action depends on the incident radiation falling at the base. Means then the light is incident on the base region. Means light is incident on the base region. Incident of light. Then the light energy is converted into electrical energy. Next point, at the time of constructing the photo transistor, the base and collector region are provided with a large area in the comparison normal BJT. BJT means bi-junction transistor. In photo transistor means when the light of the base of the maximum of the intensity are incident on the base region and emitted from this and regions are known by the conductor. The figure below represents the construction of the photo transistor. Means there is two types of the transistor. You have to already study there is NPN and PNP transistor. In this circuit, it is used by the NPN transistor. Means N substrate, P substrate, and N substrate. Means NPN. Emitter, base, collector. Emitter is N type, base is a P type, and collector is N type. There is a NPN transistor. Okay. Where we can see that light majorly allowed incident at the base collector base. Means light mostly incident on the base terminal. Next, in this, okay, next, initially photo transistor were fabricated from the silicon or germanium. What is silicon or germanium? Then the silicon and germanium, it is a basic semiconductor material. Silicon means it is a substrate of silicon material. Germanium means it is germanium material. It is a present in the periodic table. There is a cutting potential of the silicon and germanium. silicon, it is a cut it on the 0.7 of the cutting potential, and germanium it cut on the 0.3 of the potential. This is cutting of the. In this level, these materials, these of the cutting of the diode. This is called as the knee voltage or cutting voltage. This it is work for the dynamic unity. The basic terminal that is that provides the homogeneous structure. What is the homogeneous? Homogeneous means it is the part electron holes pair are generated in this structure. Next, however, in the recent times, those are constantly using the material like gallium and arsenide. What is the gallium arsenide? Gallium arsenide is another material are present in a trivalent or pentavalent, means tetravalent or pentavalent. Some are present in third group of periodic table, some are present in the fifth group of periodic table. Like phosphorus, boron, okay, arsenic, phosphorus, arsenic, galvanite, okay. This is the various colors of, okay, its element color, and this is the various materials are available, okay, like this. Then providing the heterogeneous structure. Heterogeneous you have to already study in the this. This is because the structure exhibit large conversion efficiency. Means this phototransistor, the light is emitted on this base result and maximum of the energy is emitted. This implies they are more capable of changing the light energy into electricity. Means why it is called? Because photo means light, and the light energy is converted into electrical energy. Means photons. For example, solar cell. Okay. Solar cell is the best example. Why? It is the sunlight. Sunlight is enters on the cell and this is converted into energy. Solar panel is the most example. It's the daily life. It is used by the solar panel and solar cell. Means when the light energy is incident on this panel and this light energy is converted into electrical energy. This is called the photo transistor. This simply the more capable of changing the light energy into electrical energy compared to homogeneous transistor. Means there is a transistor means three layer of the device. Next, working of the photo transistor. How to work the photo transistor? Photo means light and transistor means three regions. It works on the three regions. Means emitter, collector, base or NPN region. There is a clearly indicating the figure. There is a NPN and then the light is on the base region and P region. Another structure of this it is given from the transistor. Then this is the ground. Then from the base junction. Then the light is insert on the base region. Okay. There is working of this. Photo transistor its work on the forward bias. Why it is forward bias? Because when the light is emitting on the base region, then the P-type and N-type substrate are connected. And the P-type of the substrate are connected to the positive terminal of a battery and N-type of the substrate are connected to the negative terminal of a battery because its work on the forward bias. Then the photo transistor can be configured in two different configurations, which common collector and common emitter. What is the common collector and common emitter? Means CE and CC. Common means common is ground, then the common emitter and common collector. Depending on the terminal which is common between the input and output terminal, similar to the normal transistor. Okay. A small reverse saturation current called as dark current. Why it is called dark current? Because VI characteristic is clearly inductive. When first time, then the intensity of the light is not incident on phototransistor. Then the some current is produced is called as the dark current or zero current. Why it is zero current? Why it is called zero current? Because then the intensity of the light is not incident on the phototransistor. Phototransistor वर आपण लाईट टाकलाच नाही तर तो ऑन होईल का? नाही. जर ऑनच झाला नाही फोटोट्रान्झिस्टर तर त्यावेळेस जी इंटेन्सिटी मिळणार ती इंटेन्सिटी राहणार झिरो. म्हणून त्या इंटेन्सिटीला आपण काय म्हणतो? डार्क करंट म्हणतो. ओके, डार्क करंट. आणि फ्लो थ्रू द फोटोट्रान्झिस्टर म्हणजे अपसरन्स ऑफ लाईट whose increase with the increase in the value of temperature property as it is the ordinary. Okay, the ordinary condition. Next, in case of the phototransistor, there is a collector, emitter, base. Okay, emits from the unconductor. Next light is the part, then the covalent bonds are broken. Means then the intensity of light is incident on the phototransistor. Then the electron holes pair are generated. When the electron holes pair are generated, then the covalent bonds are broken. Then the more and more intensity increase, then the more and more covalent bonds are broken. Next, this is simple working of the photo characteristics. It is a very important characteristic of the VI characteristics. Then the graph is plotted between the x-axis and the y-axis. In the x-axis, it is given as from the voltage and in y-axis it is given by the current. It is working on, then the phototransistor, it works on the forward bias. Then the graph is plotted in the first quadrant. Then the forward bias, it is plotted in the first quadrant. Means in the x-axis, it is given as from the collector emitter voltage. With respect to given as from the, in y-axis, it is given as for the collector current. And base current are constant. Why? Because there is a emitter collector base. Means voltage across the collector and emitter, and collector current are changes and base current are remains constant. Then the slightly voltage images and is slightly increases by the current. Then first time in initial condition, okay, then the phototransistor, then the intensity of the light is not incident on the phototransistor. Then the voltage of the phototransistor is not incident, then the current are not produced because it is called as the zero current. This current is called as the dark current or zero current. Next condition, then intensity of the light is incident on the phototransistor. Then the light is incident on the phototransistor. Then some current are produced. Some current are produced. This current, okay, or this current with respect to slightly increased by the current. Voltage are produced, then the slightly increased by the current. Okay. Next time, intensity of the light is more and more on the phototransistor. Then the more and more covalent bonds are broken. Then the more and more covalent bonds are broken. Then the more and more thermal energy are generated. Then the more and more thermal energy is generated. Then the more and more heat is generated. Then the more and more heat is generated. Then the current are produced from the transistor. This clearly indicates from this. This is from the three regions. This region is called as from the this level is called a dark region and remains constant. This is called as a saturation current. Why it is called a saturation? Because voltage across current are remains constant. This is called as the saturation current. Then the VI characteristics of the phototransistor is on the three regions. It works. There is active region, saturation region and cutoff region. What is active region? Active regions means collector emitter voltage with respect to collector current are produced. This is called as the active regions. What is the cutoff region? Then voltage across current are cut. Then the cutting potential. Then the for this is region is called as the cutoff region. Because voltage across current are zero. This is called as the cutoff region. Last region is on the saturation region. Why it is called saturation? Because saturation region means then the current across voltage remains constant. This is called as the saturation region. Okay. Next, this is the VI characteristic of this. Advantages of the phototransistor. What is the advantage of the phototransistor? First advantage is in the phototransistor, it is very simple to construct, compact and less expensive. First, it is a very simple of the phototransistor. It is very compact and less expensive. It is easily available in the market. It is a very small unit cost. Next advantages is given as higher current. Then the current rating is high because then the light energy is converted into electricity because the current is high. Next, higher gain, faster response, time comparison and photo diodes. Next advantage is result is output voltage unlike phototransistor. Then the result of the output is very. Next, sensitive to a wide range of wavelength. It is very sensitive because light energy is sensitive to this ranging from the ultraviolet or infrared. Ultraviolet means ultraviolet light and infrared means infrared spectroscopy. Sensitive to large number of sources. Next advantages including sunlight. Next, disadvantages of the phototransistor. Some disadvantages are available on the phototransistor. Cannot handle high voltage in mode of silicon because its voltage is very large. For example, material are in silicon because very high voltage are not handled by the phototransistor. Next, phone to electric peak are because any phone phototransistor are used for the spike of the in the phone. Next, disadvantage affected by the electromagnetic energy. It is affecting by the electromagnetic energy. Next, do not permit the easy flow of electrons under the electron tubes. It is not easily flow on the tubes. It is not easily passed in the current by the tube material. Next, poor high efficiency due to large base collector capacity. Why it is poor? Because then the base collector capacity is applications. Next, applications of the phototransistor. What is the application of the phototransistor? There is the first application object on the detection. Why object on the detection? Means light energy is incident, then the detect the object. Means first very important is the application is detect the object. Next application, encoder sensing, means it sends the encoder of the number by the right of this sensing the encoder. Next application, automatic electrical control system such as light detector. Any automatic, there is a connect by the signal is detected by using the light. Why it is a light? Because light energy is incident and it is detected automatically by the light. Next, security system. Why security system? It is used as security. It is by the various security system. It is used by the light system. It is by the sensing the light and it is used in the security system. Next, purchase card readers. Some purchase a car by the light. It is easily scanned by the light. This is for the used by the. Next, relay. Relay it is used by the electromagnetic field. It is this application of the computer logic circuit. It is used also computer logic circuit. It is used for the counting system. It is used the number of count the signal. Next is the smoke detector. Why it is smoke detector? It is detect the smoke of the signal. It is easily detect the signal of the light. This is called the signal. Next, laser ranging finding radius. Laser means light amplification stimulate emission. It is also called as the laser light. When the light is emitted and it is also convert the energy, light energy into energy. It is also used by this. Next, optical remote control is also used in optical, means it controls the light of the optical system. Last, CD player. We detect the player of the CD by all players of detect the light. Thank you very much. Thank you.